Welcome back. If you love breakthrough stories and explosive stock moves, you're going to want to hear this. MYO is catching serious momentum. Big wins are stacking up. Investors are excited, and for good reason. MYOMO INC is a medical robotics and assistive technology company transforming lives with powered orthoses and rehabilitation devices. Their MyoPro family of products helps people with arm and hand paralysis regain meaningful independence. Think of wearable robotics that restore motion and empower daily living. That impact is resonating across patients, clinicians, and investors alike. Let's highlight 3 recent wins that are lighting a fire under MYO stock. First, MYOMO reported its third quarter 2025 financial and operating results, and the headlines are upbeat. Revenue growth and expanding international traction were front and center. The company delivered strong top-line momentum, showing demand is accelerating for its MyoPro devices and services. Second, MYOMO officially launched the MyoPro 2X. This next-generation device broadens the product suite with upgraded capabilities and positions the company to capture more clinical adoption and reimbursement opportunities. A product launch like this is a major growth accelerator. It gives clinicians and patients a new, improved option and signals the company's innovation engine is firing. Third, the company secured a substantial financing package to fuel growth, a reported $17.5 million loan to support expansion initiatives. That kind of capital gives MYOMO runway to scale manufacturing, expand distribution channels, invest in marketing, and accelerate international rollout. Put these 3 together: revenue growth, a compelling new product, and fresh growth capital, and you can see why optimism is rising for MYO. The video market for powered orthoses is large and underpenetrated. Aging populations, rising incidence of stroke and neurological injuries, and growing awareness among clinicians are driving long-term demand. MYOMO sits squarely at the intersection of medical devices, wearable robotics, and rehabilitation, a trio that attracts premium multiples when companies hit growth inflection points. The MyoPro 2X launch unlocks multiple levers: expanded clinical indications, easier clinician onboarding, and improved patient outcomes. That leads to more authorizations and higher utilization. On the financial side, the $17.5 million funding boosts capacity to meet demand and accelerates go-to-market activities. Add in increasing analyst attention and institutional interest, including notable stake expansions reported by investors, and the market outlook looks very constructive. New distribution partnerships and conference showcases have also raised awareness, so momentum can compound as sales cycles accelerate. So why the buzz? First, tangible demand. We've seen rising revenue and higher authorization counts, real evidence that clinicians are adopting MYOMO's solutions. Second, product-driven upside. The MyoPro 2X is more than incremental. It's a platform play that can attract new prescribers and clinics. Third, capital support. Fresh funding prevents cash constraints and lets the company execute on growth initiatives without pause. For long-term investors, MYO represents a classic innovation growth story. Scalable technology, proven clinical benefit, plus a clear path to market expansion. If the company continues to deliver on sales execution and ramps distribution, there's room for meaningful upside as adoption widens and recurring revenue streams strengthen. Crowd and institutional interest is rising. That often precedes wider analyst coverage and higher liquidity. This is the kind of setup that catches fire, accelerating revenue, a compelling product launch, and fresh growth capital. MYO is no longer just a story. It's a business gaining traction in the real world. If you're tracking hot stocks today, put MYO on your watch list. Hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown. Subscribe for timely updates and hit the bell so you don't miss the next catalyst update on MYO. Share this video with fellow investors who love innovation winners. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.